Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Twitter too many attempts problem on iPhone. To know how to fix or how to solve Twitter too many attempts on iPhone, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this page, you will go to the application of Twitter and you will enter. When you will see this page, you will go to click for stop. After that, you will enter to storage. When you will end this page, when you will find this page, you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And after all that, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.